Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account. Alright, so first thing first, what we want to do is go to youtube.com. Alright, so once you're on YouTube, you want to make sure you're logged in. So next thing you want to do is go to your account right here, click on it, then you want to click on YouTube Studio, okay? So once your dashboard has opened, you want to scroll down to settings, okay? Click on settings. So then you want to go to permissions, all right? So what you want to do next is click on invite, okay? You want to invite, you want the email you want to change your YouTube, you want to transfer your YouTube to, you click on it. So you select the email, okay? So once you input your email, you want to click on access. So you want to make sure you put it on manager, then you click on done. Okay, so once you click on done, you click on save. You need to confirm it's really you, the extra layer, then you click on next. So they're gonna confirm it's really you. Alright, so once they confirm it's really you, you're gonna be back on your dashboard. So what you want to do now is go to the account, you to the email you want to change to, okay? You're gonna log into the email. So once you log into your email, you want to click on accept invitation, okay? All right, so now we have access to the YouTube channel. So if you get something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.